Most likely to cheat?
Kim. Ay, Stella.
Wow.
Sobra naman.
So, speaking of Vincent and Stella, we'll do who's most likely to. So, very quick, you just have to tell me kung sino yung character na feeling nyo mas fit sa description that we're giving. Okay, so first, most likely to lie.
Most likely to lie, Stella or Vincent? Stella.
I think it's more Vincent. Well, based from what people have seen from the first episode, or for the first two episodes tomorrow, mas si Vincent talaga.
So next, most likely to sacrifice.
Stella. Kasi sinacrifice niya na yung body niya para...
As a selfless sister.
Yes, as a selfless sister sa kanya mga siblings. Kasi wala silang magulang.
Parang wala pang mas greater sacrifice.
Yun na yun eh. So Stella. So Stella wins this round. Next, most likely to cover up a crime.
Vincent, kasi journalist siya eh.
Yeah, it's Vincent. Based on the first episode as well, you've seen he covered up so many things to protect his family's business and family's name.
But is it really just his family, or he's also protecting his own interests?
You'll have to watch more episodes to find out.
On November 7, Prime Video. Next, most likely to cheat.
Most likely to cheat,
Kim. Ay, Stella.
Wow, personalan. Parang show pa ba to? Show pa ba to?
Sobra naman. Parang walang cheater between Stella or Vincent.
Like cheat the system.
Cheat the system, Vincent.
Oh,
It's probably my character, Vincent.
okay. Most likely to stand up for what is right.
Stella.
Let me think.
Dami
Vincent.
kasi pinoprotektahan ni Vincent. Here and there, here and there. Stella, wala naman siyang... Wala nga mawawala. Nasa trailer yun.
Yun, wala
namang mawawala sa akin.
Pero sa pamilya niyo.
Yeah, I love it. Memorize.
Of course.
Oh my God, top 1
Pero
ka.
kayo-
Okay, Stella na lang.
Stella na lang.
Wala na tayo magagawa. Most likely to fall in love with the wrong person.
Kim. Ay,
Kim.
Stella. Stella.
Stella.
Stella. Meron siyang actually love story dito.
So you have to look out for Vincent and Stella's dark romance na magaganap dito sa The Alibi.
Describing dark romance.
Dark romance. Mystery thriller.
Kaya top 1 ka talaga sa amin.
Checking.